The key partner through this whole process has been BAM. I have to say they've been absolutely fabulous, and it's huge thanks to the whole team throughout all of this. Even when the pressure's been up, BAM have always been good to deal with, good sense of humour, but absolutely a contractor that I'm very happy to say that we absolutely trusted, and they've done a fantastic job.
This was an empty shed, leaking, nothing on the outside. Within six and a half weeks, we have built a 116-bed mini general hospital that is up to standards suitable for ICU units, theatres. To see the camaraderie from all the people here. Sparkies are helping brickies, brickies are helping plumbers, carpenters are helping. Everyone has helped each other. It has been such a pleasure to work here, actually.
I think the plaudits that have come around about the facility here are, it's basically saying this is as good as any hospital in the country, especially when you think it's taken 57 days to build it. The camaraderie, the enthusiasm, the passion to deliver has been fantastic. The team, the way they've worked together, the BAM team, you can't fault them. To a person, they've all pulled it out and absolutely smashed it. I've never in my career worked on a job like it, and everybody should be so proud about what we've delivered. Ultimately, we can think that we've done our job and done our little bit to help our community. So, yeah, very, very proud of everybody.